Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel T-Star Bakers. Today's tutorial will be on how to make a sponge cake. For any soft cake and moist cake lover, a sponge cake is a go-go. So here am I giving you a full recipe on how to make that. Of course, firstly you need your bowl and then your sieve. You always need to sieve your dry ingredients, guys. This is very important and a key factor in baking. Adding those dry ingredients and sieve that in. Of course, guys, if this is your first time on my channel, please do not leave here without subscribing. I would really appreciate that. Thank you. And also do not forget to check down below in the description box for written recipes and tips on how to bake. Then of course I proceeded to bring in my two bowls. I need two bowls over here because I am separating my egg whites from my egg yolks, as you can see. Firstly, I will be attending to my egg whites, which is by adding my lemon juice. It is very important to keep your egg whites stiff and durable, so do add your lemon juice or vinegar into this, and then keep your sugar right ready in hand. Of course, you can proceed to add your sugar when your egg whites has been completely beaten, because when you add it any minute before that, you can deflate your egg white. You know your egg white is ready when it has soft peak and when you turn over the bowl and it doesn't fall down. Then of course I proceeded to my egg yolk. I added water, sugar and vanilla into this, and then give this a very good mix. Guys, doing this with hand is very stressful and will be hectic, but it is always possible. If you can do it, just go on and do it. Fighting, you will be beating this until it's in a ribbon form like this. Then you can proceed to add your oil and then whip that also up. Not too much, just enough to mix the oil in. Then I proceeded to add my yolk batter into my dry ingredients. I am not showing that over here because I missed a clip, but it's not too much, guys. Do not worry about that. I just added my egg yolk batter into my dry ingredients, and then I am giving this a very quick mix. Guys, do not forget you can always find the written recipe down below in the description box. I switched to a spatula because really that whisk wasn't doing the job, and then I added my egg white. I added just a little bit of it just to loosen up the batter because it's a little bit still thick. Fold that in and then proceed to add the batter into your egg white, your remaining egg white, and fold that in. Guys, you are folding it in, you are not mixing it in thoroughly. You're just folding it in carefully so as to not deflate the batter. From that step onward, you are ready to bake your cake. You can add that into a lined pan with parchment paper. You do not need to butter this pan, just your parchment paper, guys. My cake is ready. First step to do with your hot cake is to flip it over on a cake rack. This step, of course, is so your cake doesn't deflate down, because really it happens with sponge cake. It do deflate as it's cooling down. So cool it down upside down. Yeah, that rhymed a bit. After cooling it down, you can see my cake is still looking full. Even though it was deflated during baking, that was because of my foolishness. I thought this cake was baked in 15 minutes. Of course it's not. Come on. I didn't know what magic was supposed to happen, but I thought of it. I sliced this cake up for you so you can see how spongy it is. Look at this cake bounce back. This cake is super soft. You can eat it like this, but then I proceeded to add my whipped cream because I love it with whipped cream. It's really amazing. And of course, this cake doesn't look pretty, but it is pretty in your belly. This cake is really nice. I hope you really try it out, and please do not forget to comment down below in the comment section how this recipe worked for you. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. I really appreciate you watching to this point. See you next time. Bye.